Welcome. This program was designed to help people who normally owe federal state taxes to A, learn how to do them themselves if they're interested, and B, being able to get their taxes prepared for the next 3 years for a one-time investment of $395. And from there, hopefully you'll let other people know who fall into the same category, who normally owe federal state taxes, who don't get a refund based on their overall situation, who may be interested in the same opportunity that you have, is to get their tax prepared for 3 years for a flat investment of $395, which is subject to go up at any given moment, but you will get prior notification. And B, the opportunity to learn how to do your own income taxes. Because what people don't understand is it's easy for me to teach you how to prepare your own individual income tax situation than it is for the people that I work with who wants to start their own tax and accounting firm. Because those people, I have to teach them how to do taxes for the masses, which means it's going to be different types of situations that's going to come about. So it's a whole lot of more data and information that they have to learn and know and be familiar with in order to do taxes from people that's going to come from different walks of life, different situations, different backgrounds, and all those type of data points that we have to be aware of. And so if you're interested in learning how to do your own income taxes, especially if you're the person that normally owe income taxes, federal and state, on an annual basis, and you're going to pay someone to help you prepare those taxes where you paying your federal state taxes because you don't get a refund and you had to pay someone to help you make that happen. If you are interested and curious about what that would look like for you to learn how to prepare your own individual income tax return moving forward, take advantage of this program, let other people know about the program, and it does exist. And again, this here program and service uh, is a standard program that I have that I promote throughout the year at certain times of the year. So you won't always see it on my YouTube channel. You might not always see it posted on my social media platforms because it's a seasonal time when I promote this particular program for people who interested in learning how to prepare their own income taxes or curious about what that will look like and being able to invest a one-time payment to get 3 years of taxes done for themselves in the process. So, for example, say you're a person who hasn't filed in 3 years, then this program will cover those 3 years for you for a one-time investment of $395. Or if you're current on your taxes and you want to leverage the 3 years, then you got the current year and the next 2 years coming up where your taxes are paid for in advance because you made a one-time investment of $395, and now you have someone on your team that you can go to. You can ask questions about certain aspects of preparing your taxes that you may always been curious about, but never really had no trusted source to go to ask those questions. So this program was designed, again, specifically for people who normally owe federal state income taxes, who normally go to get those taxes done by someone, and they want to be interested in seeing what that would look like to do their own income taxes and learn how to do that, and be a one-time investment in doing it yourselves. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video.